Who's got the power to read? Who answers the call for friends in need?
Superwhy, superwhy.
He's the guy, he's
Superwhy,
Who's got the power to read? Who looks into books for the answers we need?
superwhy, superwhy.
And the super readers, we're gonna fly. Come along with the super readers. Adventure waits when you're with superwhy. Superwhy and the super readers, yeah. Superwhy and the super readers.
Adventure waits when you're with superwhy.
Yeah, superwhy.
Hi, so glad you're here. It's me, Wyatt. Welcome to Storybook Village, where all our fairy tale friends live. Oh, look! Princess P looks upset. Let's go see what's wrong. Come on! Hi, Jack. Hi, Princess P. What's the matter?
Oh, Wyatt, I'm upset. I can't do a princess twirl. Just watch.
Step, kick, spin.
Whoa!
Step.
See? I just fall down.
And again. One more time. Step, kick, spin.
Whoa!
Step.
I fall every time. I really want to learn to twirl for my big princess dance show. How am I going to learn to twirl?
This sounds like a super big problem. And a super big problem needs us, the Super Readers. We need to call the rest of the Super Readers. Call them with me. Say, calling all Super Readers.
Calling all super readers
To the book club.
to the book club.
Come on, to the book club. Wyatt here.
P is for pig. Red Riding Hood rolling in. Princess P at your service.
And you, say your name. Great, we're all here. And together, we will solve Princess P's problem. Let's go! Okay, Princess P, state your problem.
I want to twirl, but I can't. I keep falling down.
Oh no! Not good at all.
How can I learn to twirl in time for my big princess dance show?
Good question. When we have a question, we look
In a book.
What book should we look in?
Peas and carrots, carrots and peas. Book come out, please, please, please.
Let's read the title of this book. The Ugly Duckling. We know what to do. We need to jump into this book and find the answer to Princess P's question. First, we look for super letters. And then put them in our super duper computer. Super duper computer How many super letters do we need? Looks like in this story, we need to find 10 super letters. And then we'll get our super story answer. It's time to transform. Ready?
Ready!
Arms in. Put your arm in. Super readers,
To the rescue! Alpha Pig with alphabet power! Wonder Red with word power! Princess Presto with spelling power!
superwhy with the power to read. And super you with the power to help. Together we are
The Super Readers!
Y Flyers. We're ready to fly into this book.
Super readers,
To the rescue!
it's time to fly with the super readers, 'cause we've got a problem to solve. Super readers,
To the rescue!
super readers, working together with powers to read. In the books we fly to find the super story answer. It's super why. Super readers,
To the rescue!
Presto! We're in the Ugly Duckling book!
Let's read. Y Writer, highlight. Read with me. Once there was a duck.
Quack, quack, quack!
The duck really wanted to swim.
I really want to swim!
The duck could not swim.
I can't swim. Aw, poor little duck can't swim.
Just like Princess can't twirl. And that, super readers, is why we are in this book. They both want to do something, but can't.
We need to talk to that duck and find out how he learns to swim.
I wonder where that little duck went. Here, little duck, where are you? Help us find the little duck by quacking with us. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Quack, quack, quacky quack, quack. Oh, how are we ever going to find that little duck? Alpha Pig to the rescue! With my amazing alphabet tools, I can help find the little duck. You'll help me, right? Phew. Okay, I need Super You to help me sing the alphabet. And I'll build the letters. Ready? A, B, C. Sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Sing with me. Amazing alphabet singing. Now we need the letters in the word duck. First we need the letter D. Where is the letter D?
There!
There's the D. Yippee! Quack, quack. Did you hear that? It's working. Now we need a U. Where is the U? Right there! There's the U. Quack, quack. Where's the letter C? Over there! There's the C. Wowie! Quack, quack, quack. We need one more letter. K. Do you see the K? Where? There! There's the K. Quack, quack. D-U-C-K. Duck. Quack! Lickety letters. We used our alphabet to find the duck. Let's give ourselves a big thumbs up.
Hi there, little duck. We're the Super Readers.
Oh, nice to meet you, Super Readers.
Why were you hiding in the bushes?
I'm sad because I can't swim. Aw, Quackers. And I really want to learn so I can go to the swim party. You need to learn to swim over there, in the pond. To the pond! Quack, quack, quack. Super letters!
You see super letters? Which letters did you find?
K, E, T.
K-E-T. Yeah! We need to put them into our super duper computer! 7 more super letters, and then we'll get our super story answer. Excellent progress, Super Readers.
Time to get in the water, little duck. Quackers. Okay, here I go. Hey, look at me. I'm floating.
That's the first step to swimming.
Oh, I'm splashing everywhere. I still can't swim. Aw, Quackers. We need to help him learn another step to swimming. But what? Cue the sparkles. Cue the music. Princess Presto to the rescue!
With my magic spelling wand, I can spell the word kick and help little duck learn another step. He'll be swimming in no time. Will you help me spell the word kick? Wands up. Spell with me. Now, what letter makes the sound k, k, k?
K!
K. Let's write the letter K. K. Now, what letter makes the sound I?
I!
I. Write the I with me. Okay. In this word, the ending sound is k, 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 which is made with the letters C and K. Let's write a C. And now the K. Let's write the K. K-I-C-K. Kick, kick, kick. Presto! Spectacular spelling! We spelled kick to help little duck kick. Let's take a bow. Let's help duck keep kicking. Spell kick. K-I-C-K, kick, kick, kick. Keep spelling kick. It's working. Faster. K-I-C-K, kick, kick, kick. K-I-C-K, kick, kick, kick. Quack, quack, quack. Super letters!
You see more super letters? What letters did you find?
E,
Y.
N, G.
E, Y, N, G? Let's put them in our super duper computer! 3 more super letters, and then we'll get our super story answer.
On with the story!
Now that I can float and kick, I should be able to swim, right?
Well, little duck, after you learn to float and kick, you have to learn to glide. Just float, kick, then glide.
Float, kick, then glide. Aw, quackers. I still can't swim.
It's okay, little duck.
No, it's not. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to float or kick or glide. I quit.
But you can't quit, little duck.
Oh, yes, I can. Look, it says so right here in my story. See? The duck floats, kicks, and quits. But if he quits, the little duck will never learn to swim or go to the party. What can we do?
Superwhy to the rescue! With the power to read, I can change this story and save the day. Let's change the word quit in this sentence. Let's zap it. Ready, set, zap! Vibrator? Right. Which word should we use so the little duck can learn to swim? Snores, juggles, or glides? Let's try juggles. Which is the word juggles? It has 2 G's in it.
There!
This one is the word juggles. Let's zap it into our sentence. Ready, set, zap! Let's read the sentence and see what happens. The duck floats, kicks, and juggles. Whoa, look at that little duck juggle!
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
But did juggling help him learn to swim?
No.
Which word should we use so the little duck can learn to swim? Snores, juggles, or glides? Let's try the word glides. Which is the word glides? I think it starts with a G.
There!
Let's zap glides into our sentence. Ready, set, zap! Let's read the sentence and see what happens. The duck floats, kicks, and glides.
Float, kick, glide. I'm almost swimming.
Will gliding help the little duck learn to swim?
Yes!
Yes! Super job, super readers! We changed the story, and now the little duck won't quit. He can float, kick, and glide until he can swim like the other ducks.
I'm not gonna quit. I'm gonna float, kick, and glide over and over and over again until I am a real swimmer. Swim party, here I come! Oops. Aw, quackers.
What should Duck keep doing?
Float, kick, and glide.
That's it, little duck. Float, kick, and glide. Keep going. Keep going.
Look at me, I'm swimming. I'm really, really swimming.
Wow, little duck, you're a great swimmer. How did you learn?
I just kept practicing floating, kicking, and gliding.
Come on. We're about to jump on the water trampoline.
Oh, fun! Super letters!
You see super letters? Which ones?
P, R, I.
P, R, and I? Way to go, super readers. We need to put them into our super duper computer! We found all of our super letters. Now we can get our super story answer.
Great swimming, little duck. I didn't quit, and now I've learned to swim. That makes me want to quack, 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 quack. I'll never stop swimming thanks to you, super readers. Bye. Bye. Goodbye, little duck.
Why Flyers? Back to the book club.
We found the super story answer with superwhy.
Super duper computer! Give us our super story answer. Read the letters with me. K, E, E, P, T, R, Y, I, N, G. Keep trying. The super story answer is keep trying. But why?
Because if Duck wanted to swim, he had to keep trying.
So my question is, how can I learn to twirl in time for my big princess dance show?
And the answer is
Keep trying!
If I want to learn to twirl, I can't quit. I have to keep trying. Thank you, super readers. Let's go back to dance class.
Here we go, girls. Step, kick, spin.
Keep trying. Keep trying.
Step, kick, spin.
Whoa! If I want to twirl, I must keep trying.
Step, kick, spin.
I did it!
Step, kick, spin.
I did a presto perfecto princess twirl! Did you see? I kept trying and now I can twirl! I kept trying and now I'm twirling!
great job, Princess P. Hip hip hooray! The super readers saved the day!
Hip hip hooray!
Hooray!
The super reader saved the day. We changed the story. We solved the problem. We work together, so hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Hooray!
The super reader saved the day. Hip hip hooray!
Hooray!
The super reader saved the day.